Hello. This is our room.
ongoing secret war to bring down Castro is already underway.
On the TV with pay-per-view porn on it.
Closer to the edge of nuclear war than it has ever.
And the bathroom, which has a large light switch for retards, a large mirror, nice shower.
Hello Jack, say hello to the camera.
I know, I thought
She's got a video.
Say,
I did a video of my room.
Did you?
say hi Faye.
Ollie.
And we made other videos.
Oh! Yeah! Pornography.
We're just about to get on the lift.
Oh, come on.
Ooh. Come on, I want to see it's on the lift. No. You're going into the lift. Is that nice, Jack? Is that nice, Jack?
They are good. We come back here tomorrow, I'm ordering.
Going fine, a bum bum. Say hello, Jack.
Hello. Let's go over. I want you to meet some friends.
Look, it's the Harrison Ford.
Jody.
No, Jody.
We don't talk to him, he's a bit of a freak.
Yeah. Oh, look.
And this, of course, is my good friend, Jody Bennett.
Yeah, Yoko over there.
She doesn't do very much.
No.
And I need you to meet the guest of honor over here. She's getting a photo taken at the moment, but she's my true love.
I see her.
Madonna. I'd like you to meet her. Oh, sorry, someone's calling me. Over here, come on.
Oh, right. It's Brad Pitt.
Yes, it is.
And Julia Roberts. Jenny. Go on.
Is this your new friend? Introduce her.
Oh yes, this is George.
Hello, George.
Say hi. Hi.
What's under here, Jenny?
No
He
way.
engaged to.
Oh, George. My thank.
Hi, Faye.
Hi, Jenny.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Do your face, Ollie. Go.
Oh God.
No, I feel like I've got gloves on. Just do it.
Look at this.
Look at Jenny. Oh.
Sorry.
Are you filming?
And again.
Look at the seat. Okay, I'm gonna try and get out.
Like my new trousers.
Look at my boobs.
Hello, Oliver.
Hi, Jack. Do you like it?
Oh yeah. Hang on. Ollie. Hang on.
It says Faye.
We're in Starbucks. So Ollie, did you like your donut?
It's unbelievable.
Jennifer in your little hat. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
No.
Didn't quite
What
believe
have you
it.
been eating?
It was good. A
What have you been
donut.
eating? Yeah.
Same one as Ollie.
Mickey Mouse. And Faye, what have you been eating? Tell us about it.
It's got an abscess on the top.
Oh,
Abscess.
lovely.
Hello, Hobo Oliver. Are you a bit wet? Yeah.
Now just now film Jenny. Jenny, throw something at Ollie. No. And film it, though. I'm joking. Oh, wow, look at that hill. If you haven't already noticed, it's snowing here. In New York. Fine, don't go.
Hello, Matthew, and this is Jennifer Lawrence.
Ollie again.
For NYC company. She's not even filming. It is snowing heavily and has been throughout the night. He has a chode. You have to keep going to get to the next thing. Oh, come on! No, for the experience. Right. Brilliant. We are on the subway. And the proper driving the trip. Keep it steady.
I'm not a tripod. A tripod.
No, you did. I think. Oh, Super Station. Oh, well, I'm here. And wait to stop, and then you can swim. And then you have to come this to me and call it my love Jenny.
Okay, you
Fun, isn't
can.
it?
No, wait till we stop.
Like,
I haven't stopped.
no.
Spare side. Can I sit down?
Should we go in quickly? Can we go in?
Oh, okay. Film that side.
Look, film the steam, film the steam. I love it.
The film me first. Okay. Film around and then I'll go.
Okay, I will.
Wait, is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, you. Thank God, Oh, you want to see the making? God. A car. Mind to the music.
Together, people.